Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make aloe vera oil at home. This aloe vera oil is very good for your skin and hair. This treats wrinkles, stimulates collagen production, reduces scars, heal wounds and treat acne. Very easy to make at home, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken one aloe vera leaf. Choose fresh and tender ones for best results. Separate the gel and cut it into small cubes. Clean wash it. I've already made a video on how to separate the aloe vera gel. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Remove the aloe vera gel from the water and keep this ready. Now heat a pan. Into this add quarter cup of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add the aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Let the aloe vera gel fry in the coconut oil for 5 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now and the color of the aloe vera gel has started to change to light brown in color. Continue to mix for 3 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes and the aloe vera gel is dark brown in color. The essence of the aloe vera is well extracted in the oil and it's now ready. So off the flame and allow it to cool for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can strain the oil. Store it in a glass bottle like this. Close it with a lid and you can use it for 6 months time. Very useful and a healthy oil recipe. So do try this aloe vera oil recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.